Most people don't think much about what's orbiting above us. Satellites, space junk, maybe the International Space Station. But what if there's something else up there? Something much older. Something we didn't put there. It's called the Black Knight Satellite, a mysterious object some believe has been circling Earth for thousands of years, and even today, no one can fully explain it. Let's dive into one of the strangest space mysteries ever recorded. The story begins back in 1899 with Nikola Tesla. While experimenting with radio waves, Tesla picked up a signal he couldn't explain. It repeated. It felt intentional. Tesla believed it came from somewhere beyond Earth. Most people at the time dismissed his claim. They thought it was noise, or maybe some equipment malfunction. But Tesla was convinced. He thought someone, or something, was trying to communicate. Years later, in the 1920s and 30s, amateur radio operators started noticing something strange too. They would send out signals, and seconds later, the same signals would echo back. Not instantly, with long, unexplained delays. Scientists called them long delay echoes, or LDEs, and no one really knew why they were happening. Some suggested atmospheric conditions. Others thought it might be something reflecting signals from space. But a few wondered, was something orbiting Earth picking up those signals and sending them back? Fast forward to 1998. The Space Shuttle Endeavour was on a mission to assemble parts of the International Space Station. During a spacewalk, astronauts photographed something strange floating nearby. NASA said it was a lost thermal blanket, a piece of equipment that had drifted away, but many noticed that the object didn't behave like cloth. It seemed solid. It rotated slowly and deliberately. The photos still exist today, and for many they are the best evidence of the Black Knight's existence. There was something else strange about the object. It appeared to move in a polar orbit, passing over both the North and South poles. That's unusual. Most satellites orbit around the equator because it's easier and cheaper. A polar orbit means you can see the entire surface of the Earth, eventually scanning every spot. Perfect if you wanted to watch everything. If the Black Knight has truly been watching Earth for millennia, could it also be responsible for some of history's greatest mysteries? Some claim ancient messages, from unexplained inscriptions to mysterious maps, hint at contact with something beyond our world. Were these signals lost in time, misinterpreted as myth and legend? Or were they warnings, clues left behind, waiting for us to notice? Some researchers point to ancient civilizations. Old myths talk about beings from the stars. Some ancient structures seem to line up perfectly with star constellations. Could it be that people long ago knew something we've forgotten? Was the Black Knight watching even back then? Skeptics have their explanations. NASA insists the photographs show a simple piece of space debris. Scientists say the long delay echoes probably have natural causes. Maybe the Black Knight is just a mix of lost equipment, strange radio waves, and human imagination. But maybe there's more to the story than we know. Even today, radio operators sometimes report strange anomalies, signals with no clear source, whispers on frequencies that should be silent. Could these be echoes of the Black Knight, or are they reminders that our understanding of space is still very young? Every mystery starts with a question. The real journey is daring to ask it. If the Black Knight is truly real, then it forces us to rethink not only our past, but our future. What else could be waiting, silently orbiting, just beyond the edge of our understanding? Maybe the Black Knight is not alone. Maybe it was only the first watcher, the first of many. In the end, the Black Knight remains a mystery. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's the oldest relic orbiting Earth. Maybe it's something else entirely, something not meant to be found. One thing is certain. There's still so much about our world and our skies that we don't fully understand. And maybe that's the most exciting part of all. What do you think? Is the Black Knight just space debris? Or is it something more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed exploring this mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next journey into the unknown.